Hello kids, let's learn animals name. A is for alligator. Alligator. B is for bat. Bat. C is for camel. Camel. D is for donkey. Donkey. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fox. Fox. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. H is for horse. Horse. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for jaguar. Jaguar. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nilgai. Nilgai. O is for otter. Otter. P is for panda. Panda. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. S is for scorpio. Scorpio. T is for turtle. Turtle. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. V is for velvet monkey. Velvet monkey. W is for walrus. Walrus. X is for xerus. Xerus. Y is for yellow-throated marten. Yellow-throated marten. Z is for zebra. Zebra.